Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. 7 intermittent fasting schedules and how to choose. The 16:8 intermittent fasting schedule is popular for beginners, involving a 16-hour fast and 8-hour eating window. The 5:2 diet involves eating normally for 5 days and following a modified fast for 2 non-consecutive days. The OMAD 1 meal a day diet is an extreme form of intermittent fasting with a 23-hour fast and 1-hour eating window. When choosing an intermittent fasting schedule, consider your lifestyle, health, personal preferences, and goals. Intermittent fasting may provide benefits such as weight loss, improved metabolism, better digestive health, and potential treatment for autoimmune disorders. Tips for success include making healthy food choices, starting slowly, staying hydrated, and working with a healthcare provider. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs.